right, and here we are on Miss Z, JJ's 2000 BMW Z3. We're doing the valve cover gasket, so I already pulled the little cover here and the cover over the valve cover. JJ's like, yeah, I already got one coil pack out. Gonna pull all the rest of them out, and then we'll get this valve cover off. All right, got all 6 of our coil packs out. Gonna undo these grounds right here, get them out of our way, and then we can start pulling our hardware. I do have to get this crankcase vent out as well. That's easy. So we'll do that and start pulling. Yay! Right. All the hardware's out, our wiring's out of the way. This baby's gonna come off. Probably gonna put a little screwdriver underneath and just kind of work it up. So JJ just told me it's 158,754 miles. Does this look like 158,000 miles to anybody? Wow. This is what happens when you take care of your vehicles, ladies and gentlemen. This thing is spectacular.
Show my halo.
JJ's got a
See
halo.
my halo because I take care of my cars.
Yes. Well, he loves Miss Z. Miss Z is his baby.
She's the alpha car.
She's your alpha car?
Yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Love it. All right. Here we are. Everything's nice. New gaskets ready to go. And we will put this on now. Well, that was easy.
All done. Now we'll go on to...
Pretty much. Almost there. JJ's getting a little excited, but he's happy.
Yes,
Happy
he's
car.
happy.
JJ happy? Happy JJ? Happy JJ good.
Well, Miss Z happy.
Miss Z gonna be
Then
very happy.
I'm happy. Miss Z not happy, that's not a good thing.
Yeah. No. Miss Z's very special. Right. Valve cover's all in. Everything's tightened up. Our wiring, etc. is routed, except for our coil pack wiring, of course. We're gonna do our grounds first. Then we're gonna flop over our coil wiring, clamp it down, put it where it goes, do our ground for out of that harness, and then we'll be doing our covers. Miss Z is a pretty baby. All right. Coil packs in, valve covers down tight, all our wiring is routed, our grounds looking good. 2 covers, and then we're gonna be firing Miss Z up. And just like that, Miss Z is all back together. JJ, do the honors and fire up this beautiful baby. Miss Z. Spectacular. Love it.